Hey everyone, so this is a great salon shape, something I use in the salon quite often. It's a little bob shape with high graduation and lots of layers to give it texture and a stacked out feel. Enjoy it. Okay, so here you can see I'm just finished the haircut. I've got the basic shape I want, so I'm combing into shape to see exactly how it looks, ready for the blow dry, and then I can go on to finishing and refining. But this is how I like to finish, to see the haircut in its entirety. So here I'm going to be wrap drying using my Dyson and my vest brush, keeping the hair nice and smooth and just giving it a nice polished finish. This is the best way to finish this haircut. So the hair's all dried, and now I'm going to be refining my baseline. So I'm going to be putting my baseline in using only the points of my scissors, and I'm going to be working right through to try and give it a nice curved line, just not just straight. I want to elevate and I want to lift up the line around the neck, creating a lovely beveled edge. I'll follow this all the way through to the front, tilting the head over and using the points of my comb again and my scissors just to point cut it through to keep a soft personality on the outside edge and keeping the line really lovely and refined. I love doing this. I spend more time doing this in the haircut than I do on anything else, if I'm honest. So I love this part of haircut when you can really lose yourself. So just watch and enjoy, and any hints or tips, then just write them in the comments below. Thank you. So here you go. Here's the finished result. Some fitted graduation with some layers through the top. Stack it all out. A great shape, really fun. And I use it to loads of guests in the salon. And I hope you get the time to use it too. Thanks very much for watching.